What's up guys, welcome back to Fasting Fridays. So as you know, it's Lent, we're all struggling to get our protein in. So today I'm going to get another recipe from the Greek monastery cookery, and it's going to be lentil soup. Very interested in how this recipe is going to pan out. I've got peel of an orange and a boatload of garlic, so I can't wait to see how it all turns out. So let's get into it.
Alright, we've got one bulb of garlic all diced up nicely. Look at that chopping technique. Set that aside for now. Bang! That's how you do the onions. I wish it was that easy all the time. Alright, that's my little dicing technique if you are interested. Not a bad shot there. Alright, that's about 3 onions. We've got 1 kilo of green lentils. Had to transfer that because there was a lot more than that little strainer could hold. Make sure you give it a good wash. In the recipe book it says to sort the dirt and stones off that. Didn't find any dirt or stones, which was good. Bring it to a boil. Now this one says bring to the boil 2 or 3 times. I did have a good viewer who commented on my previous video letting me know why they bring it to the boil 2 or 3 times. Because they cook over an open fire and they can't maintain the heat. But for us, with stoves, we can definitely leave it on a low heat and let it boil away. So I've strained all that, gotten all that water out. Bringing it back on the heat now, putting the garlic in. I had to separate the two because there was more than my 2 little pots, 1 little pot could handle. Putting the onions in now with some peppercorns. Get the orange peel in there. Couple of bay leaves. Good amount of salt. Give it a good stir. Adding the olive oil in now, and the red wine vinegar. Very meticulous with my measurements. Using Italian herbs here, give it a good stir. Remove that orange peel and the bay leaves. Just heating that for about 5 to 6 minutes. I think the longer you can cook the lentils, the better. Easier they are on the stomach. I would recommend to soak these the night before. Do everything that you can to ease the effects on your gut without oversharing. Spoke with my spiritual father today and he said you're not really meant to eat that amount of lentils, but you live and you learn. Very delicious recipe. Definitely one to make again.
Alright, time for the taste test, let's go. Very good winter soup. Packed full of protein. I think it's a winner. Guys, if you liked the video, give us a like and hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.